You ready?
God, yes. I know.
The minis are here! Yay! Are you excited, puppy? Look pretty dapper with your sunglasses. I'm excited to actually use this iPhone because it's so tiny. Just to give you guys a sense of just how small it is. That's the mini, that's the Pro Max, SE 10, nope, 11, 12 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. So it's pretty small. The thing that we're gonna try to figure out in this video is, you know, how tough it is. We've got two, and we're gonna wrap one up in my preferred case and screen protector, and then we're just gonna do a bunch of stuff to it, like drop it.
Are you sure you want to do that?
Because we need to know how tough this device is. We're accessories reviewers, so, you know, this is just good information to have, and you guys get entertained at the same time. Right, puppy? iPhone 12 mini completely buttoned up. iPhone 12 mini that is completely not buttoned up. And we're just gonna drop it. Start dropping it.
What are we gonna drop it on first?
I'm glad you asked, because I've got this brick.
Oh my God.
Right here. Whoa.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Oh. It sounded like...
It sounded terrible. You think the landlord will be mad if we crack the tile in his house? Surprisingly robust. Bit of scuffing.
Was not expecting that.
Yeah. It was this side? No, this side. Pretty sure it's gonna be fine. What else can we do? Camera down. There's brick under there. Yeah, there's nothing. Like there's brick under that. What's the temperature outside?
It's -6 degrees outside.
Let's go back inside. I'm getting cold.
Oh my God.
Oh, that one needs to hide. Nothing. Look. A little bit of scuffing. Did the same with this. Nothing. Anything break? Anything break?
Oh, yes.
Oh no!
This is fine.
But that's like, that's the edge of the iPhone, not the screen.
Like the screen's not broken yet.
All right.
Don't kill me.
It's an unboxing.
There's one stuck to it.
Magnet. Like this ceramic shield, if you hadn't seen, I put a force meter through the iPhone 12 versions against an iPhone 11, and this ceramic shield screen protector is definitely tougher than what it was before. And so it's a little surprising that none of the glass is cracked. Like the screen protector on this has, well, bit it, but that's kind of the point. It's like the bumper on a car. It's the thing that absorbs the most of the damage. All right, what else can we do? Think I can hit that pole?
I'm gonna say you miss.
Oh.
Knew it.
Still nothing. Monty?
Good idea. So cold.
Monty.
I don't think that did anything.
Really?
Yeah, it just looks dirty.
Oh. Bit of crunching.
Yeah, because there's like rocks under there, right?
Camera still works.
Perfectly fine though.
Let's do anything? No.
Are we giving up?
No! There's a rock here. We should do something with this rock.
Throw the rock on them? Oh, or just...
Nothing on either. All right, let's go see what's in the garage.
Drop some weights on them.
This is a bare, uncoated skipping rope. This thing, if I miss, will draw my blood.
So we'll see if I'll draw the blood of the iPhone 12 mini.
That's not gonna work. I feel like this is gonna ruin it.
What was that, 45 or 20? No, 35.
35. So now the iPhone's completely dead.
And the back, is that dirty or is it shattered?
That's shattered. I don't think I'm gonna do it to that one. That was the Death Knell.
Does it still work though?
What do you think?
Oh. Damn.
What do you think about this puppy? Popping a poop? Yeah, that's what I thought too. So we just pulled in all the footage and just edited it all, and we realized we have to do the same thing to this iPhone that we did to this for consistency's sake. But that 35-pound weight just mauled this thing, which is surprising and not at the same time, I think. Apart from that 35-pound weight, this thing seems fairly robust. It's pretty scuffed up. Phone's unusable. Now with this thing that's covered in a Mous Limitless 3.0 and a FLOLAB screen protector, the screen protector actually doesn't look that bad. We've got a chip up at the top and then subsequent some spider webbing, but all in all, this is, given how much we dropped it, this is pretty good condition. The back is fine. Doesn't look bent. So Val, I'm sorry you don't get to use an iPhone 12 mini this weekend. Unless this entire setup
I believe
survives.
in that case.
You believe in the case? But did you, in the video, you realize that the weight hit this on the front, right? You see like the straight line, that's where the bumper hit. So.
Yeah, but like the big corners, I believe in the
You think so? You think this case is...
I feel like it's gonna be fine. It's gonna make it.
The hard part's gonna be like recreating.
Yeah.
So it's like that corner, it's about like that. Consistency's sake, we have to do it. I shouldn't have done this video. We're reviewers. Val's behind the camera. Monty's taking a nap. If you want to know what we think are the best iPhone 12 accessories, check that video. We've got screen protectors somewhere being filmed and edited in the queue, but do check that stuff out. First time watching one of our videos, subscribe because, well, we produce awesome things like breaking iPhones for research sake, not because we do this for fun. It's kind of fun. This is going to be a term that I've just coined. This is reviewer's remorse, right? Like, I totally don't want to do this, but it's like you start on the path of doing a video and you're like, I have to finish this video in order to be complete. And it's like, I use my own damn money for this video. So it's like, but burn 2 brand new iPhones just so that it can be complete. It's, oh. Why can't I do things half-assedly? Why, Val?
Because that's just not how we roll.
There to there. Oh. And I practice.
Hold on.
You ready?
God, yes. I know. Wait, but that did help. Is that the screen protector? Oh.
It wasn't all the way. I missed, kind of. That was better. Didn't do anything.
Still protected it a lot though.
Yeah. Let's see how beat up the screen is. Because like that line, I don't actually see any cracking underneath.
Is the back okay? 'Cause the other one was like, that makes sense.
I did a sleight of hand there and I swapped it out.
With a brand new phone.
Back's fine. That's weird that that's there because it doesn't really look like. So the screen protector did the job.
Oh.
All right, so screen is fine. Screen protector is completely bjorked. But it did its job. There was a part of me that thought you might not need a case for the iPhone 12, and this thing is definitely tougher than all the other iPhones that I've used up to date. When push comes to shove, a case and a screen protector is not a bad idea, given how expensive these things are. Anyways, first time watching one of my videos, I do encourage you to click subscribe. Oh, I'm so cold.
And I'm wearing a full-out jacket.
Click the notification bell because every single time you see a video from me, that means Monty's gonna be in the video wearing a tie. Right, puppy? Yeah. See ya.